Hello YouTube, I just wanted to welcome back to the Grease Monkey channel. I don't know if that's a real, someone's name, but if that's someone's name, just let me know. I'll change it. I'm just going on a fling with it. But anyways, I just wanted to do a quick review on my Blue Point stubby, half-inch stubby air impact. Part number AT2550. I have to say, I love it. Oh yeah, and it has a Mac swivel on the bottom. Comparing it to my MG725. But that's it. Till I get more, working on getting more storage in my phone. So, see you next time.